Went ahead and took the bulb out. All right, the easy part is installing the lights. All right, got one of them. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, got them down. All right. You guys let me know if it works. Okay. Alright, looks like all of them are on, which is a good sign. And I wanted to run them for the inner tail lights, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and install this for the third brake light. When I was doing my suspension, when I put the coilovers on, I wasn't too sure how to take this off and kind of like lift this up. And then it was all good until I was putting it back, and when I was putting it back, that's when it cracked on me. And for the most part, the seat covers it, but up to this piece, you can kind of see that it's cracked. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and see what it looks like. There's all these little tabs I'm trying to break loose without breaking them. I'm amping the way it keeps breaking. There's such little space back here. And it's hot in here too, it's real hot. It's caught up on the seatbelt. Oh, there it goes. Oh, okay. You kind of have to like push down on it and pull it up and out at the same time, like that. I don't know how to pull it out, but I got it out. Thing's all broken. The whole purpose of taking this off was because I needed to get to these bolts and tighten them a little more. And I also wanted to get to the third brake light, but now that I took it off, it's connected to that thing over there. Whenever that light goes out, it must be a pain to get to, just to change it out. But yeah, it's out here. Here's the LED. I'm gonna go ahead and spice the switch to this. So yeah, I was kind of looking at where I should basically cut into the wire, and since that's a lot flusher to the body, I don't want it to be down here. I'm probably gonna end up cutting it right here, closer to the seat. I'm not too sure if this transfers heat or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and run it like that for right now, see what's goody. Easy snip, bam bam. Module's connected. About to connect it, and hopefully it works. Alright, you guys will see it before me. Wanted to do with the inner tail lights, but wasn't able to. So basically that's what that strobe light module does. I think it would have been pretty tight if it was the two inner tail lights, but this would do. And the reason I think they didn't work is because when you push on the brake, they get brighter. These inner ones just stay completely red. So I think that's why they didn't work. I was thinking maybe if I was supposed to run different tail lights, like similar to these, I could probably get that same effect, but I'll go ahead and throw it on and see what it looks like with it on. first tried doing this, I had a hard time. I didn't know how to get to the boat, but you basically pull up the seat, hold up with your leg or whatever. But oh, there it goes. This is basically where the boat goes, right here. Right there.